InterswitchSPAK is an IntersWitch Switch a Future initiative.
My name is Okeori Yomi. I'm from Ijayi State Senior Grammar School, Lagos State.
My name is Ayomide Ojediro from Murita Mefa Baptist Model School, Oyo State.
My name is Ogunji John from God's Foundation Global School, Akure, Ondo State.
My name is Obozo Somtochukwu Ifoma from Ghana Mano Academy, Oka, Anambra State.
My name is Ogenome Karis from Divine Step College, Orile Igwamu, Lagos State.
My name is Ofoma Enes from Holy Ghost British Academy, Divine Rage British School, Obosi, Anambra State.
My name is Okoro Adezan from Divine Step College, Orile Igwamu, Lagos.
My name is Michael from Federal Government College, Enugu.
My name is Okoye Ogechi from Adedoku International School, Ota, Ogun State.
Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. I couldn't agree more. Welcome to InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. Proudly brought to you by IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on. The journey started with over 18,000 secondary school students from about 1,800 schools across Nigeria that went online to write the InterswitchSPAK National Qualifying Examination via the Croc CBT platform. I have 9 of these brilliant super SPAKs here, ready to blow your mind. I cannot wait for us to explore the thrills of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. But first, it is time to celebrate our SPAK heroes.
At 17, her path to greatness in life had already sparked up. Faisal Abubakar Sani came to limelight when she scored 9 A1s in her 2016 WAEC exams. This result has been adjudged the best ever in the history of Kano State, of which she is an indigene. Born to a father who is a businessman and mother who is a lawyer, she attended Olumawu Secondary School, Abuja, and this was where her spark as an upcoming genius was illuminated. With distinctions in mathematics, physics, chemistry, further maths, biology, English language, marketing, and civic education, her prowess has earned her a state-sponsored scholarship from her undergraduate to PhD level at any university of her choosing. Who says hard work does not pay? Faisal has been offered admission to study medicine by at least 7 universities in the United Kingdom. Like Faisal, let's help our children bring out the spark in them.
I'm sure that documentary has sparked up the hero inside of you. Somto, how do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Very happy. Finally, you have your spot on this stage. How do you intend to utilize it?
I'll do my best.
All right, Somto will do her best. Karis, you've been smiling at me. Is there something you want to tell me? I mean, what do you like to do for fun?
I love watching anime.
Okay, that's interesting. What's your favorite anime?
Naruto.
Naruto. Ogechi. What is the meaning of your name?
God's time is the best.
God's time is the best. Well, let's see if you will make it, all right? But remember, whatever the situation might be, God's time is always the best. Ada, how was your experience writing the qualifying examination via the Croc CBT platform?
Well, I felt relaxed and I was not nervous.
Yeah, that's the beauty of writing online. You felt relaxed and you were not nervous. All right, Super SPAKs, welcome. InterswitchSPAK is played in 2 levels, Foundation and Advanced. In the Foundation round, each of you have equal opportunity to attempt 16 general science questions within a 15-second window. Marks will be awarded based on individual accuracy and speed. For questions in this round, the first 5 Super SPAKs to get the correct answer will earn a maximum of 10 points, while others with the correct answer to the same question will earn 5 points. Remember, an incorrect answer earns you no points, okay? At the end of the Foundation round, Only 5 of you with the highest cumulative scores and time will proceed to the advanced round. Do we understand?
Yes, you.
Are we ready?
Yes, you.
If we're ready, the foundation round starts right now. Question 1. Which of these blood cells lack nucleus? Lymphocytes, basophils, thrombocytes, or eosinophils? Correct option is C. Only one super SPAK gave us the correct option. Ernest, you solved this question in a record time of 11.8 seconds. How did you arrive at your answer?
First of all, I know that eosinophils, basophils, they are all types of lymphocytes, and all lymphocytes are nucleated. So it brings us to the fact that thrombocytes are without nucleus.
That is truly brilliant. Well done, Ernest, and I'm sure the rest of the super SPAKs, we've all learned something today. Better luck next time, all right? Question 2. In titration involving NaOH and dilute HCl, the base will be placed in the what? Is it burette, standard flask, conical flask, or beaker? Ogechi and Ernest, please remember you have only 15 seconds to impute your answer, all right? You need to be fast. Speed is very important as much as accuracy. Ada, Yomi, Somto, John, you provided the incorrect option. I'm sure you'll do better next time. Well done to the rest of the super SPAKs. Question 3. What weight will a boy of mass mkg experience in an elevator falling freely? M brackets A minus G brackets N. MGN 0 MAN. All our super SPAKs except Ada and Karis provided the correct answer. Ada, Karis, you'll do better next time, all right? This is question 4. 2 successive discounts of 10% and 20% are equal to a single discount of what? Is it 0.3, 0.25, 0.28, or 0.26? Ernest, you have to be very fast. You only have 15 seconds. Please make sure next time you impute your answer as fast as you can, all right? John.
Yes, you.
What option did you choose?
I choose C.
Why?
I just wish to choose C, and I think it's the correct answer.
Oh, well, I don't know the God you pray to, but you were pretty lucky. You were the only one that provided the correct option. Super SPAKs, better luck next time. Question 5. Which of the following metals can displace hydrogen from water or steam? A, magnesium. B, copper. C, silver. D, mercury. Somto, what's the answer to that question?
Magnesium.
Did you guess like John?
Yes.
Wow, what is happening? Are we playing the guessing game now? Michael, how did you arrive at your answer?
I know that the other 3 options are below hydrogen in the electrochemical series, and magnesium is the only one that is above hydrogen, so I chose magnesium.
That was really smart of you. Super SPAKs, you can see your results. Ayo, Somto, and Michael got the correct answer. The rest of the super SPAKs, you'll do great next time, all right? Question 6. Which kingdom does the organism above belong to? Is it kingdom Monera, fungi, protista, or plantista? Which kingdom does the organism above belong to? Aside from Ada and Yomi, the rest of the super SPAKs got the correct answer. Question 7. What work is done by a wire with stiffness of when stretched by 0.1 meter? Is it 2 joules, 8 joules, 40 joules, or 4 joules? Ada, what was your answer?
C.
Ogechi, do you agree with her that the answer is C?
Yes,
You agree with her?
I do.
Why?
Because the formula for work done is force times distance.
C is 40 joules. None of you provided the correct answer. Let me show you the answer. The answer is A, 2 joules. Good luck in the next question. Question 8. How many eyes does an earthworm have? Is it 3, 1, no eyes, or 2? How many eyes does an earthworm have? Ayo, Yomi, Somto, Ada, you provided the incorrect option, and we are going to move on to Caris to tell us what the answer is.
Choose C.
And C is absolutely correct. We're now halfway through the foundation round. After the break, the foundation round continues. Don't go anywhere.
Everything is impossible until it's done. This has been our story since inception. And today, we can boast of a platform where everything is possible. And like before, we succeeded in getting your attention, didn't we? Quick Teller. Everyday payments made easy.
Welcome back to InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on. Before the break, our 9 Super SPAKs attempted 8 questions in the foundation round. It is now time for us to finish off with the rest of the questions in the foundation round. First, let us check our leaderboard to see how our Super SPAKs are faring. So far, so good. There you have it. Now you know your position on the leaderboard. But the beauty of this competition is that anything can still happen at this stage. I wish you all the best. Question 9. What is the probability of getting the sum of 9 from 2 throws of a dice? Is it 1/8, 1/9, 1/6, or 1/12? What is the probability of getting the sum of 9 from 2 throws of a dice? Correct option is B, 1/9. Ogechi, you were not fast enough. Ernest, Yomi, and Michael, you provided the incorrect option. Better luck next time, and well done to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Question 10. The compound represented by X in the reaction shown is it HOCl, H2O2, HCl, H2O? Quite unfortunately, none of our Super SPAKs provided the correct option. The correct answer is C. Better luck next time. Question 11. Which of these is not a type of thermometer? A, thermoelectric, B, Celsius, C, liquid in gas, D, resistance. Which of these is not a type of thermometer? Correct option is B, Celsius. Yomi, Caris, John, you provided the incorrect option. Celsius is just a unit. But don't worry, you'll do better next time. Congratulations to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Question 12. Find Y in the image shown. Is it 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 240 degrees, or 120 degrees? Find Y in the image shown. Aside from Caris, John, Ada, and Yomi, the rest of the Super SPAKs gave us the right answer. Well done, guys, and good luck to the ones that did not get the answer. Question 13. The hormone that helps in parthenocarpy is it carbamine, ethylene, gibberellin, or cytokinin? Correct option is C. Only 3 of our Super SPAKs got the correct answer: Ayo, Yomi, and Michael. Question 14. If the first term of an AP is A and the 10th term is 10, the expression for the common difference is what? Is it 10 minus A all over 9, 10 minus A all over 9D, A minus 9D over 10, A plus 9 over 10? Only Ayo got the correct answer. Ayo, can you tell me how you arrived at your answer?
The sum of 10 terms is A plus 9D. Then, since they give us the value as 10, then I equated it as A plus 9D equals to 10. Then, minus A from both sides. 9D equals to 10 minus A. Then divide both sides by 9. 10 minus A over 9 equals to D.
All right, well done, Ayo. We're now 2 questions away from the end of the foundation round. Here comes question 15. An element X reacts with chlorine to form XCl4, XCl3, XCl2. This illustrates the law of, is it multiple proportions, definite proportions, simple proportions, or chemical proportions? Ogechi, what do you think the answer to the question is?
Option C.
Ayo, do you agree with her? What is the answer?
Option E.
Why?
I just know it as option E.
All right, congratulations to all the Super SPAKs. Except Ogechi, the rest of you provided the correct answer. Ogechi, better luck next time. It is now the final question in the foundation round. Here comes question number 16. What does this symbol represent in an electric circuit? A, cell. B, bulb. C, AC source. D, ammeter. What does this symbol represent in an electric circuit? Ada, Ernest, Yomi, Karis. All of you got the correct answer. The rest of the Super SPAKs, I would have said better luck next time, but this is the end of the foundation round. It is now time for us to know the 5 of you that will move on to the advanced round. Karis.
Yes, hero.
How do you think you've fared so far?
Partially okay.
I'm going to get back to you and tell you your fate. Ogechi.
Yes, hero.
John. I'd like to encourage both of you. You have done incredibly well. If you made it to this stage, you are indeed a SPAK star. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, all right? Keep studying and you will definitely spark up the innovator in you. But I'm afraid to inform you that this is where your SPAK journey ends. Harris, do you still think you did well?
Yeah.
Well, you have failed to fail. Congratulations. You are through to the advanced round. And moving on to the advanced round, with Karis, we have Ayo with 100 points, Michael with 90 points, Ernest with 75 points, Somto with 65 points, and Karis with 50 points. You narrowly made it. To the rest of my Super SPAKs, I would like to say thank you so much for participating, and you are amazing. But this is where your SPAK journey comes to an end. Super SPAKs, welcome to the advanced level. Here, each of you have the opportunity to select your preferred subject area from where questions will be pulled specifically for you. So if you don't know the answer to a question, just say pass, okay? At the end of the advanced level, only 3 of you with the highest scores will move on to the semi-final stage of this competition. And please note that your scores in the foundation level do not apply here. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
It is now time for us to take a turn. This is how we determine the order of play of our Super SPAKs, with the fastest going first. Today's Take a Turn is a puzzle. Here comes your Take a Turn puzzle. Match each law with the corresponding equation. The laws are Charles' law, ideal gas law, Boyle's law, general gas law. And the equations are V equals KT, PV equals KT. Michael is first to solve the puzzle. Also, PV equals nRT and PV equals K. We have 4 pairs. Just match them accordingly. We're still waiting for Ayo, Ernest, Somto, and Karis. Ernest is next. Chris is next to solve the puzzle. We're now waiting for Ayo and the Somto, who will be the first between Ayo and Somto to solve the puzzle. And there you have it. Now we have our order of play. Michael is up first, followed by Ernest, closely followed by Karis, Somto, and then Ayo. So Michael, you're up first. You know the drill.
My name is Okolo Michael and I'm ready to SPAK.
Now is your time to SPAK. What bone does the rib attach to?
Pass.
Contraction of the protoplast of a plant cell resulting.
Pass.
What is the causative?
Bacteria.
What natural phenomenon is exhibited
Pass.
by? How many grams of oxygen is there in 1 mole of calcium carbonate?
48.
Who discovered the nucleus of an atom?
John Dalton.
How many unpaired electrons are in the atom of elements with configuration 1s2, 2s2?
4.
How many neutrons are there in the atom of oxygen isotope?
10.
On the periodic table, what group is called alkali metal?
Group 1.
What is the value of 1? Find the value of x in the mean 3, x, 7, and 4 is 5. Find the value of x if the mean of 3, x, 7, and 4 is 5. So last question, you can take your time.
4.
Well done, Michael. Well done.
My name is Ernest and I'm ready to SPAK.
Now is your time to SPAK. Carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen are products of?
Respiration.
What part of the neuron carries signal to the soma?
Skip. Pass.
Oncogene is...
Pass.
Find the number of neutrons in the potassium atom.
21.
What is the chemical formula for hydrogen sulfide?
H2S.
What is the atomic number of iron?
26.
Find the mean of the first 5 multiples.
Skip.
Find the circumference of the
Skip.
circle. Find f of
Minus
1.
6.
What pressure is exerted by a force of
0.5.
Find the potential energy of a 2K.
80.
What phenomenon prevents water from
Surface tension.
Which 2 states make up the former Bendel
Skip.
state?
Pass.
Well done, Ernest.
My name is Ogeneme Mekais and I'm ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. What is the liquid form? What is liquid found in deficiency of vitamin A causes what?
Night blindness.
What is the primary function of
Pass.
What is the SI unit of stress in an elastic material?
Pass.
The strings of a plucked guitar undergoes what type of motion?
Pass.
What instrument can be used to measure the relative density of palm oil?
Pass.
What type of resistor is connected parallel to a galvanometer to convert it to an ammeter?
Pass.
What is the refractive index of a glass whose real depth is 4 cm and apparent depth? What mass of a block will a force of 36 Newton accelerate at 4 meters per second square? Take your time, it's your last question.
Nine.
Well done, Karis. Well done.
My name is Obozo Somtochukwu and I'm ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. The site of respiration in a cell is the...
Pass.
What term describes transfer of pollens from an anther to stigma?
Pollination.
The utilization of soil nutrients at different levels.
Pass.
What is the mass number of an element whose atom has 10 protons, 10 electrons, and 12 neutrons?
32.
The element represented by the chemical symbol Br
Pass.
is... How many electrons are in the nucleus of an atom with 11 protons and a mass number of 23?
12.
Integrate 12x cubed.
3x. 3x 4.
Simplify 4 minus x squared all over 2x minus x squared. That's the last question. Take your time.
Okay. 8x squared minus 6x squared minus x3.
Well done, Somto. Well done.
My name is Ayomide Ojedru and I am ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. How many pairs of salivary gland does a man have?
1.
People with rhesus antigen in their blood?
Pass.
Skull, vertebral column.
Axial.
Coal is an allotrope of which
Carbon.
element? How many protons are in phosphorus atom?
19.
What period does calcium belong to on the periodic table?
Period 4.
Which waves do not require a medium for propagation?
Electromagnetic wave.
What is the color of the green bottle viewed on the ruler?
Dark.
The change in wavelength as a wave travels from one medium to another is termed?
Pass.
Solve the inequality 2 plus 3x is greater or equal to 4 plus 5x. It's your last question.
X is less than or equals to -1.
Well done, Ayo. We're now through with the advanced level. It is now time for me to announce the Super Sparks that will make it through to the semi-final stage of the competition. Ayo.
Yes, you.
How would you rate your performance so far?
2 over 10.
So do you think you're making it to the semis?
Yes, I should. By God's grace.
Well, you're absolutely correct. Congratulations. You're through to the semi-final stage. Well done. I have 4 Super Sparks. I only need 2 of you to join Ayo at the semi-finals. Michael.
Yes, hero.
Be honest with yourself. How do you think you've fared so far?
5 on a scale of 1 to 10.
5 on a scale of 1 to 10. That's a pretty ambitious number with what I can see here. If only you had extra 10 points, you would have qualified. Be honest. Congratulations, you're through to the semi-final stage. And of course, Ernest, with a total of 160 points, you are also through to the semi-final stage of this competition. And to you, Somto and Karis, you've done so well, all right? Karis, I like your spirit. Just keep smiling. Never, never stop smiling. Don't let anybody take that smile away from you, all right? And Somto, you are a SPAK star. You are a superstar. We're proud of you. But this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. And there you have it. Yet another riveting episode on your #1 STEM competition in Nigeria, InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. Yes, we're still gearing up. The semi-final spots are gradually filling up, but only 27 of them can make it, and they will be competing for 9 available spots at the final. But we can only have one winner, who will go home with 7.5 million naira, which covers a 5-year university scholarship, inclusive of a monthly stipend, a brand new laptop, and the bragging rights as Nigeria's best STEM student. You can only get to find out who that winner is if you keep watching. I'm Hero Daniels. Until I catch you same time, same station next week. Remember, change the game. Don't let the game change you. Bye for now.
InterswitchSPAK is an Interswitch Switch a Future initiative.